welcome to CJC Adventures. Carl here, and today I'm in Merry Hill and Craig's with me, and we're going to take a look at the Hollywood Bowl. It's a bowling alley, of course, with lots of surprises inside and a bit of an American theme as well. So I hope you can join me on this little journey at the Merry Hill Centre in Dudley. We're going to go and take a look. So let's go and see what we can see. And this is the Hollywood Bowl. It's been here in the Merry Hill Centre for a good few months. It's a very popular place, and it does give you that American feel of course, the bowling alleys that they have in America and so on. And well, there's all sorts in here, arcades and so on. So I'm going to take a look. The home of bowling. Very bright, isn't it? Gives you that Hollywood Boulevard sort of feel. Nice and bright in here, eh?
That's in any place like this now, do you?
No, it's comes from America, though it, I believe.
Yeah.
Well, the style of it does anyway, do it?
Yeah.
I say it's never been to Hollywood, but I suppose it looks like this to you.
Oh yeah.
Hungry Bowser. Used to get the board. Used to get the board game to it, do you?
No frustration, you know, and buckaroo, operation, you know, things like that, you know.
Buckaroo. Of course, you get the Monopoly Man. I prefer the board game, to be honest. More traditional, more, well, you get all video games and everything, don't you, with that now. It's always harder though, ain't these grabbers. You think about what's inside the gold eggs, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
There might not be nothing in them, are they? Just
No, they're not. They're picking up them all loose eggs.
like a cheaper price, ain't really?
Yeah. I thought so.
It's a virtual reality, ain't there? Like the basketball nets, look.
Oh, yeah.
It moves though, that one, to make it harder for you. Look, the one on the end. It moves as you throw it, don't you? Just drop that low. Look. Scooby-Doo, look. This is a bowling alley. It's actually harder than you think, ain't really? Oh, good American fun, I suppose. Actually got a bar in here as well, so it's all catered for if you want to drink while you're having a bit of a gamble, or if you're doing a bit of bowling. I wouldn't recommend you get too much drink into here though, because you know you might miss or drop a bowl on your foot. Who knows? There's Craig down there, look. Do your best, Craig. Pretend you're Scott Howard in Teen Wolf. How many you got? Score 8. Good boy scores, don't we? Oh. Time's running out. Come on, you got some meal there. Some bonus throwers. Huh? Still throw them, low. Get your pounds worth. I'll go by a score, like, but. Oh! What the?
I don't want anybody to get over 300 and somebody back in second, you know.
I know all of them, Sorry if you're playing against somebody, eh? So, you got a prize here. To be honest, don't think you'll be winning that. But you never know. Bit of a long shot. Have a look at the bowls. Bowling alley. What do you think out really bowling, are you? Is that a good American feeling? Oh, there's a technique to it either. Oh, there's a technique to it. Yeah, cheating, am you, Craig? Cheating, are you?
What's the game?
No? That was a good one. Have a go. Race one another boy, yeah?
Oh, yeah, it's only 2 players can race, so...
Right, I know. You've got all the pool tables and everything in here. You've even got like a VIP lounge here. I don't know whether they actually have to pay or whatever to be in the VIP lounge, but sort of, well, if you look at about American things and they have to stick to their traditions. Another smaller bowling alley in here. Got the traditional grabbing machines in here. Couldn't win a summons. So it's just how you get all the main games in here, don't you? The VIP lounge and all that, yeah. I don't know if you had to pay to go in there or what, but I've just been in, so it makes no difference to me really. This is what I like about places like this, you get all the main games here, don't you? Oh, that's one of them step games, ain't there? I wonder if they play that on there or what? Staying alive. Yeah, the Bee Gees alright, don't you? We'll beat the Bee Gees, mate. Disco Fever. Mystery Mix. So you have a view of it, don't you, out of the bowling. No, we've done it once, Ty.
Yeah.
bowling. They kept coming out, there they? They're coming out. They ain't too bad, did you? We buy points and that, do we?
Yeah.
Points. Scoring the points. And that's it for today on CJC Adventures. Hope you've enjoyed the little tour of Hollywood Bowl. It's quite good, quite entertaining. If you ever get the chance, come to the Merry Hill Centre in Dudley, and it gives you that American feel. And until next time, bid you farewell. Please like, subscribe and share. Until next time, look after yourselves and each other. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.